So before we saw that although the engine went in nicely, I kind of forgot to put on the rear breather, and it's pretty tough with the engine in its full position. So I've rotated it up and out of the way. I've got it temporarily mounted here. It's just hinging on the top engine mount, which you can't see here, but it's the top rear one against the cradle. And now I can get that rear breather on where it needs to be. Tighten it up. It does have a locking washer on it. So we'll get that assembled, tightened up. I can see why they put the tabbed washers on these. If it should ever come loose, you've got a lot of engine to remove in order to get to two simple little bolts on the back there. We're getting ready to refit the timing cover here. We've got the crankcase seal here, spring facing the timing side, and the camshaft seal here for the contact breakers. Of course, we won't use contact breakers. With the spring on the inside here, circlip in place, sharp edge of circlip facing the engine. And then we've got our pressure relief valve in here, new washers on each side here. And of course, what we'll really need to do is make sure we've got our oil pump seal on there, and then a gasket for the cover. Now that the engine's in the frame, you can actually see just how low that oil drain return is going to be here. There'll be plenty of oil splashing around inside of that. Should be fine in there. And here we go with our favorite friend, the oil pump seal. On there, very secure and tight, won't fall off. Unlike if you use a Mark III seal here, you have a very good chance that it can get loose. You only need really the lightest coat here at the top of the cover. If you've got oil coming out the top of the cover, you've probably got bigger problems. Although it's best to have the correct factory tool to go over that points seal, I've cheated a little bit and used a generous amount of assembly lube in there, and I think it slipped over just fine. No chance of catching on anything there. And we felt the seal come over the crankshaft itself. We'll tighten these nuts or these screws all the way around, and we should be good. The workshop manual gives you a great guide on the timing cover screws. As you can see, we've got 4 short, and we've got 7 medium and 1 long. Short, short, and short, medium, medium, and medium, short, medium, and long. And the rest are all mediums.